Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 Outlook. I am once again filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks. He has his aunt at his house right now, so I hope he has a good time with his aunt. So anyway, we have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, and west central Georgia. Cities and towers enhanced include Birmingham, Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Hoover, Alabama, Vestavia Hills, Alabama, Gadsden, Alabama. So anyway, we have a slight risk tomorrow that encompasses most of Missouri, southern and southwestern Illinois, southern Kentucky, southern Virginia, all of North Carolina, all of South Carolina, all of Tennessee, all of Arkansas, south central and eastern Oklahoma, northern Texas, northern Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, and much of Georgia. Cities and towers enhanced include, cities and towers slight, not enhanced, slight, include Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Nashville, Tennessee. And we have two marginals tomorrow. One marginal covers the eastern half of North Dakota, far northwestern Minnesota, and north central South Dakota. And another marginal tomorrow encompasses eastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, parts of Illinois, parts of Indiana, southern Ohio, parts of Kentucky, most of West Virginia, most of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, southeastern Pennsylvania, most New Jersey, southern Georgia, northern Florida, the Florida Panhandle, southern Alabama, southern Mississippi, parts of Louisiana, parts of Texas, much of Oklahoma, eastern New Mexico, and southeastern Colorado. Cities and towers marginals include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Kansas City, Missouri. Going to the tornado threat for tomorrow, there are two areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. One covering extreme southeastern Kansas, most of Missouri, southern Illinois, southwestern Indiana, most of Mississippi, most of Tennessee, northwestern Georgia, the northern half of Alabama, the northern half of Mississippi, all of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, south central and eastern Oklahoma, and northern Texas. And another 2% tornado risk area tomorrow encompasses extreme southeastern Virginia and eastern North Carolina. Cities in the 2% tornado risk areas tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, and Virginia Beach, Virginia. So anyway, going to the wind threat for tomorrow, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher tomorrow. That encompasses parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, and west central Georgia. Cities in the 30% wind risk area tomorrow include Birmingham, Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Hoover, Alabama, Vestavia Hills, Alabama, and Gadsden, Alabama. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. That encompasses most of Missouri, southwestern Illinois, southern Kentucky, southern Virginia, all of North Carolina, all of South Carolina, all of Tennessee, all of Arkansas, south central and eastern Oklahoma, northern Texas, northern Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, and parts of Georgia. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Nashville, Tennessee. And we have two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One covering the eastern half of North Dakota, north central South Dakota, and far northwestern Minnesota. And another 5% wind risk area tomorrow include another 5% wind risk tomorrow encompasses eastern Kansas, parts of Missouri, parts of Illinois, southern half of Indiana, southern Ohio, parts of Kentucky, most of West Virginia, much of Virginia, Washington, D.C., most of Maryland, all of Delaware, southeast Pennsylvania, most of New Jersey, southern Georgia, the northern part of Florida, the Florida Panhandle, southern Alabama, southern Mississippi, parts of Louisiana, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, and eastern New Mexico. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Kansas City, Missouri. So, anyway, go to tomorrow's hail threat. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses parts of northern Texas, south central and southeastern Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, the very far extreme southwestern tip of Tennessee, northern Mississippi, and northwestern Alabama. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes the cities of Memphis, Tennessee, Plano, Texas, Little Rock, Arkansas, Abilene, Texas, and Wichita Falls, Texas. And a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow encompasses southeastern Kansas, most Missouri, southern Illinois, southwest Indiana, southern Mississippi, the southwestern half of Kentucky, extreme southeastern Virginia, most of North Carolina, much of South Carolina, all of Tennessee, northern Arkansas, parts of Oklahoma, southeast Colorado, much of Oklahoma, I think I mentioned, eastern New Mexico, parts of Texas, northern Louisiana, central Mississippi, much of Alabama, and northern Georgia. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow encompasses Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Charlotte, North Carolina, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Nashville, Tennessee. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are expected from the southern Great Plains to the southeast states on Saturday through Saturday evening. Swaths of damaging winds, a couple tornadoes, and sporadic large hail will be possible. So, that's the day 2 outlook. So, anyway, once again, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks while he's spending time with his aunt. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather. So, yeah. Take today to prepare for tomorrow's severe weather. Have a plan in place to receive your warnings tomorrow and tomorrow night. And before you go to bed tomorrow night, be sure to have a way of being notified for severe weather during the night tomorrow night. Whether that be your TV, radio, or phone. Alright, so, anyway, and if possible, sleep in your safe spot tomorrow night on the lowest level of your home. To avoid having to move during the night. So, stay safe tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again tomorrow morning. And thankfully this time, I did not get interrupted by my WR400 NOAA Weather Radio, because I did on the last take. I mean, admittedly that was funny. Admittedly getting interrupted, with an alert from my severe weather outlook videos, that's pretty funny. So anyway, I'll go over all of this again tomorrow morning. Take care.